Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Shooky from BT21. We're going to get started in the center of our page and draw on a large oval. So let's start at the very top in the center. We're going to work our way around the side, down towards the bottom. Now let's go back up on the right side and bring that all the way up towards the top. Now we're going to find the center point of the oval and draw a straight line going across for the top of the mouth. So we're going to leave a gap on the side. Start on the left, we're going to go straight across. Now from the ends we want to curve down and then in. Come down and then in. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we're going to close off the bottom of the mouth with a straight line from left to right. Let's add the teeth in the center. We're going to leave a gap in the middle. Over on the left side, we'll draw a straight line coming down. We'll do the same thing on the right, and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now directly above the mouth, we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. So on the left side, start at the very top, work our way around and back up towards the top. Now let's move over to the right side. We're going to line at the top, curve in, and back up towards the top. Let's fill the eyes in black. Above the left eye, we're going to angle the eyebrow coming down. So we start up at the very top, angle down and in. Now we're going to step up and draw that same length line. Now we're going to close off the top and the bottom with a curve. So start at the bottom, we'll curve around and back up towards the top. And along the bottom, we'll curve in the opposite direction. Now I'm going to fill that eyebrow in black. Now the eyebrow on the right goes straight across. So we start up above the eye. We're going to start with a straight line going across. Now we step up. This eyebrow is a little bit narrower than the one on the left. Close off the inside with a curve, and then the outside. And we're going to fill the eyebrow in black. Now let's move down and draw on the feet. On the left side, we're going to draw a half oval. Starting from the outside, curve down, round this out and pull that in. Now we're going to go over to the right side and do the same thing. Curve down to the same height and back up underneath the head. And then we'll move to the outside and draw on the arms. On the left side, we're going to curve out, round out the arm, and then pull that in behind the head. Let's line this up on the right side, curve out, round out the arm, and pull that in. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Shooky from BT21. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.